The only reason we have problems with the old 5 litres is because of the cats. I tell everybody, if you go and buy a 5 litre, the first thing to do is to take the cats out, the original cats. They were old technology in 2004 when they came out. So now, Christ, the car is 15, 16 years old, throw them out, put decap pipes on, or if you don't want the noise, we use Larini sports cats. They use HJS catalysts in them. You're not going to have problems. But the state of the block and the state of Simon's block when we did that, it just looks like someone had thrown sand in it. And you find the grit everywhere. It's pounded into the valve seats, and then of course the valves. It's down beside the pistons, it's embedded in the rings, it's embedded in the bores. Yeah, it's no, on the early 5 litres, if you buy one or own one, get the cats off it.
That's a nice sort of top tip there for anybody who's got a 5.0.
Yeah, for those, definitely throw it away. Regular oil changes, no matter how much you use it, every year. Change your oil every year. I mean, Christ, the new Gen 2s now, they're coming out like long life servicing, but they've got no oil quality sensor. I saw one in the other day, 19,000 miles on a supercar for an oil change. Got to change your oil every year. Good quality oil. We use MOTUL 8100, or if we've got track customers, we use 300V. Yeah, change your oil every 12 months, you'll be fine. That's the only thing really. And you see it when you pull apart engines that have been looked after. You can tell by the state of the bearings.